So today I have with me here the Mango Kiss Lip Balm. It's made with Mango Dango Oil, and it's a lip balm with a kiss of bliss, and it's the peppermint kind. And here it says it's just, like eco lips, supposed to be like eco-friendly and stuff like that. So what I want to start off by saying with this product is that I first got this product because I love lip balm. Lip balm is honestly probably my favorite thing in the world because you never want to walk around with dry lips that are cracking and bleeding all the time. And so you always want your lips to be very nice and smooth and silky and not hurting every time you smile or open your mouth to talk to someone. And so I actually found out about this product because I was actually looking for a different lip balm when I went out to go look for some new ones because I ran out of my old ones and they didn't have the one that I usually grab. And so this one looked new. It looked like something I had never tried before, and I had experience with the other lip balms that they had in where I was searching for, and I didn't really have good experiences with those other lip balms. So this is the only new one that I saw that I had never tried before, I hadn't really heard of before, and so I was like, why not give it a shot? So I picked it up and I was like, well, I really like peppermint, so let's hope this goes well. So I grabbed it, I left the store, and I pretty much opened it and immediately put it on because my lips were very dry and I needed a new lip balm right away. And I was like, oh my gosh, this smells so good. And I didn't even have to reapply it for the rest of the day. I put this on I think it was about noon that we went shopping for this. And I didn't have to reapply it for the entire day. And I was just like, wow, this is crazy. Because, a lot of lip balms that you put on, you usually have to reapply throughout the day. And this one, I didn't. Even given, me eating and stuff like that, I still didn't have to reapply it because my lips still felt smooth and silky and like they had at least a little bit still on there. And it just kept them nicely moisturized, whether it had on a lot from when I first applied it or just a little bit from after me eating or me rubbing my lips or me laying down and some of it coming off or anything like that. And so I just really like that because a lot of lip balm comes off very easily, which makes your lips, get all dry and cracking and stuff like that, and nobody likes when their lips are dry. I mean, if you do, all power to you, but I don't like that. It's actually bigger than a lot of the lip balms that I've come encounter with in the past. It's not super big, it's the size of a finger or something like that, but it's bigger than most normal lip balms that I've come encounter with, like Chapstick brand or anything like that. And it's a lot the tube is a lot wider, I guess, the width of it is just a lot bigger than the normal one. So it comes with, I guess you could say, a lot more than in your normal lip balm. But it's very good because you don't have to use a lot in order for your lips to stay moisturized. And since it's bigger than the normal tube of lip balm, then you get to keep it for a lot longer versus going back in another 3 months and buying a whole new lip balm. I've had this for probably 5.5 months now, and it's still, I think, more than halfway still there. So I really like that. But like I was saying, it's the normal size of a lip balm, so you could just slip it in your pocket, slip it in your purse, slip it in your hat or something. I don't know, anywhere that you would need to put a lip balm to, hide it away until the next time you have to take it out. But it's a very good size for just putting anywhere, and when you need to take it on the go with you, having unchapped lips throughout the day is really good. I like the color of it. It's really cute. It's really fun. It reminds me of a more childlike vibe. And no, I'm not a child, but it's a very cute, fun style to the lip balm, and it just makes me so cute. The little design that's on there It's so cute. So I would say anybody can use this. I really like the scent of it. It's like the peppermint scent, and I am in love with the scent of peppermint. Peppermint is probably one of the best scents ever made, and I just really enjoy the scent of peppermint just because it smells like, I don't know, like clean, or like you brushed your teeth every 10 seconds or something. I don't know. I just really love the smell of peppermint. It tastes good. It makes me feel clean all the time. So if you, if you like peppermint, this is the lip balm for you. And the scent on lip balm stays on your lips for a really long time. Like most lip balms, when you put them on, the scent kind of goes away after a while, like maybe like an hour. This stays on for pretty much the entire time that you like have it on, unless you like ate something that was like had a very strong scent or something like that. But other than that, the smell stays. But so if you don't like peppermint, then probably don't buy this one. But it keeps my lips very soft, very smooth. It was a pretty cheap lip balm. Like the lip balm that I was looking for before this, they were around the same price, I believe. I just really like it. I have dropped this, and it stayed exactly how it was when I first bought it. So I like that. It doesn't melt easily, because I know a lot of lip balms, when you keep them in your pockets from all the like heat and stuff like that, they melt. So that's never fun, and it just ends up in the cap. So it's like, why did I buy the lip balm? But this one is fine. But again, this is just the Mongo Kiss lip balm with a kiss of bliss, the Mango Dango Oil, and in the peppermint scent.